As you saw from the title, this is a review about Covert Geo-Targeting. Um, Basically, what it is if you've ever been on a website where they say, I have a special offer for your town and city, and you know, that's what this is. It's a plugin for your WordPress site, purposely to target your visitors, state, city, country, whatever. Um, as you may know, Covert Messenger was the result of researching data niche, copying and perfecting one of their most effective formats. But while researching and developing, they came across another interesting thing in their data. Um, if you've ever visited a website that promotes dating offers, you'll have noticed a common thread among all of them. They all use geo-targeting, meaning you see your own city, state, and country name in their ads. Um, it's like magic. It's isn't funny how all these attractive single men and women in their promo material all happen to live in the same city as you, even if you're in the sticks 100 miles from the nearest neighbor. Obviously fake. And I think we've all seen these ads, and some of us click on them, some of us don't, because we all know better by now. But one thing we've all learned from spying on these guys, they don't do anything by accident. We've done the same dating promotions in the past, and I can tell you with 100% certainty that using geo-targeting in your ads will increase your response by at least 3 times. In a $1 billion online industry, does something keep doing it? We all sit straight and start listening. Now, this is, of course, you know, if an advertising strategy works well in that niche, why wouldn't it work in any other niche? I mean, think about it. If you had a money making offer and you could say, well, you have a special promotion for Joe Blow in New York City, but yet it's not for somebody in Queens, or you know, it's for somebody in the Bronx but not the Queens, or you know, wherever. It would get you a more um, targeted response. You can use this in your blogs, which is probably one of your best. Click your ads and links. There are a whole host of reasons why this works as well as it does. Here are a few of them. When a visitor comes to a blog post, sees their own city in your title. Think about it. If you had, like, okay, I'm right down here at Charlotte, say, we have a special offer in Charlotte for, and then put their name at the end of it. How great would that be? And yes, you can even do that with this. Discount for like 50% in city today only. Bottom line, geo-targeting really works. And the problem is that geo-targeting is bloody hard to do and is very computer intensive. Yep, there are always a few good situations out there, but very expensive and really meant for the big corporations. Basically what this is, it's a plug-in for your computer where you can take what most of the major dating sites on the market right now anyway, and some of the other big guys like Walmart and stuff. Yes, I've been on Walmart.com and seen it happen, so I know even they do it. I don't know, I've never seen it on Amazon, but I wouldn't be surprised if you couldn't do it. Um, how to convert geo-targeting plugin work. First of all, convert geo-targeting, a super simple and to use install one-click WordPress plugin. The software will work with any computer. All you need to do in order to use it is a self-hosted WordPress blog. After you've installed and activated the plugin, it only takes a few seconds. You'll see the admin panel like this, and all you got to do is use the country shortcodes in your blog for the city and country and all that. They actually have two different hosts that you can use, but both of them are free. I don't remember what they are right off the top of my head, but anyway, it's extremely simple to use. All you need to do is generate the API key that they'll show you how, and it's like I said, it's completely free. You can use 4 shortcodes anywhere in your blog. Plugin will automatically display your visitor's actual geolocation, and when we say anywhere, we really mean it. You know, the title, your theme, right here on the side. Here you can do it for a link. Shortcode will even work inside other plugins like this right here. Basically, you can insert it anywhere on your blog. Post page titles, custom menus, widgets, post and page text, other plugins directly into code of your theme. And as you can see, it's only $27. And I've got some bonuses to go along with this, guys, so stick around to the end and I'll show you what they are. Are you... Gotta love security on your computer. Like I said, I've got some bonuses I'll show you at the end of this to go along with this that will help you even if you've not started a blog. So, Covert Geo-Targeting plugin has at least tripled the response rate of every single blog we've used it on. Tell you what, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can see what all this is. Let you read it all for yourself, and you can use it on multi sites, site flipping, license included, with your crazy low one-time investment, which of course it's only $27. It's got 8 hours before it goes live as I'm recording this. Yeah, like I said, I'll leave a link to this in the description where you can check it out. Now for the bonuses that I've got to give to y'all guys. This bonus tutorial right here will show you how to set up your blog and how to run traffic to your blog. The estimated value on this is about $97, but in all honesty, once you learn it, it is truly priceless. Here you've got AdWords. If you know anything about blogging or video or anything else, the one way Google pays you is through AdWords. This right here walks you completely through how to set up your AdWords account in order to get paid from Google. There again, this is a $97 value too. And then you got WordPress Commission Cloaker. Fully cloak all your affiliate links and protect your commissions. Increase click-through rate. Copy and paste. Lifetime updates. And includes support. This complete course right here, like it says, it's $97 value, and it's yours free too, as long as you order through my site. what it is that, you know, like whenever you go on ClickBank, you get this long, ugly uh, link that nobody wants to see. This shows you how to cloak it within a blog to where it's perfectly just seamed in. You know, you've seen them with the blue highlight and underscore. This shows you how to do that with no problem. But this is my 3 bonus that can go along with it. If you like what you saw today, hit like, subscribe, check out the links in the description. Like I said, the Geo-Targeting is only $27. They've got some upsells, but you really don't need it. Just plain Geo-Targeting plug-in for $27 is all you would need. It's a great program. And if you check out the first link in my description, you'll see what you can do for a little bit more passive income than blogging. But blogging's pretty passive, so till tomorrow, we'll talk to you later.